Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the WITHINGS HealthMate application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the device icon in the top right corner. Here, find your Scanwatch Light, tap on all settings below it, then scroll down and find the option called Disassociate this product. Once you find it, tap on it and tap on Remove from my account. Once the watch disappears from the device page, you can close the app, go to the settings on your iPhone, open the Bluetooth settings, and here you probably will see Scanwatch Light watch on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget. Once it disappears from my devices list, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.